Hi guys, welcome to Gadget. This is Sulabh and you're watching the unboxing of RHA MA650 wireless headphones. These are already available in black. This is the first time they've launched it in white, and we've got the box. It's by a company which is from UK. So let's see what's inside the box. Alright, so a couple of you did ask us what kind of knife are you using. We are using the regular Victorinox. This is a multi-tool, and we like it because it has a very sharp knife in it. So we are going to unbox the RHA MA650 wireless. I think it's going to be pretty neat because a lot of people have called it the Aston Martin of the headphone world. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so first thing to notice inside is a neatly packed box. You can see the white headphones as soon as you open it up. There's a security seal over here which I'm going to break in just about a minute. A couple of things that are written on the box itself is that full device and call control via remote, contoured, secure flex cable, noise isolated design with magnetic housing, splash and waterproof. Yes, these are splash and waterproof. They do have a IPX4 rating on them, and it comes with 3 years warranty as well. So let's go ahead and break that seal. So those are the RHA MA650 headphones. Let's see what else is inside the box. I think you get a couple of tips as well. Yes, you do. There are different types of tips available in the box, packed on a metal strip. These are for different type of ear cavities, very similar to the ones that you get inside the OnePlus Bullets box as well. Different types, different style. Some have a little more foaming around them. Else is inside the box. There's the manual, side, and of course a carry case. There are a few things inside the carry case as well. I think these are cable management system. These are a couple of tips and cable management clip. So with it you do get a charging cable too, which you can probably connect with any charger that you have. So this is USB type C, from type A to type C charging cable. It can connect to any USB charger that you have with your mobile phone, and these bad boys can be charged with it. Alright, so those are the contents of the box. Let's see what these headphones are all about. The RHA 650 have magnetic ear cups. You can put them together like this, but like the OnePlus Bullets, they are not magnetically controlled. Of course, if you just want to control them, you would need to use this neat little thing on the wire itself. There are 3 buttons available on it. One for volume up, the other for volume down, and the third one in the middle is for call. These are behind the neck earplugs, and the headphones itself are made out of aerospace graded aluminium. In terms of the battery life, these last for about 12 hours as the company claims. So we would test them out a little further. We'll come to know exactly how long can they last. Other specifications include Bluetooth 4.1, water and splash resistant, and to pair it you can use NFC as well. These are NFC enabled. You just need to bring the mobile phone close to it, tap on it, and they'll automatically connect to your smartphone. Otherwise, it does come with 4.1 Bluetooth like we just said. you can just use Bluetooth directly to connect these to your device. These are available on Amazon as well as Headphone Zone in India. These retail for 7,999 in the Indian market. That is slightly steep if you ask us, because others are retailing at much lower price point. But then with the IP certification that these carry, these were bound to be a little more expensive than the rest. There is the power button over here. You just long press it and it turns on. To charge it, you just need to remove this sticker from here which says never charge wet, and you'll find the USB Type-C port which can be connected to the charging cable to charge the device. Overall look and feel of these headphones is quite premium, quite nice. I don't find any sharp edges on the band or on the headphones. There's nice white all around. The only thing that I can think of is that this white might get a little dirty. Of course, once we review it a little further, we'll come to know that it gets dirty or not. We'll let you know in our full review. Okay, so these are the RHA MA650 headphones which retail for 7,999 in the Indian market. If you like the video, do share it, do comment, do hit that subscribe button. Also hit us on our Instagram account. The link will be somewhere around here. This is Sulabh signing off.